Hey guys, welcome to Digital Text Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to edit or annotate a PDF file on Mac for free. So in Mac OS, we have something called as preview, where it will help in adding the markups and annotations. Keep in mind that it can't edit the existing text inside the PDF. However, it can add only text box, shapes and annotations. For heavy editing, it is recommended to use some other tools like PDF Care or LibreOffice. In this, we will just be covering how to annotate or edit the basic things using the free options that is available. So for that, what you need to do is select the PDF file, right click and choose open with preview, or you can also, if the preview is default, then you can just go double click on that PDF file and it will open the preview mode. So in order to add the highlights, what you can do is you can select this pencil icon. It will help us to add the highlights, and right now I think it is selected under strike. Okay, let me just uncheck that, and let me select the highlighter as a green color, so I can just go and highlight that particular text in green. Similarly, you can add underline as well, so you can just go and select that and it will add the underline, and like you said, the strike through, it will add the strike through. So there are other markup options here, like just click on this markup toolbar and it will give you a bunch of other options that are currently available. So this is nothing but the text selection. This is the rectangle selection, so it can select the complete text in this. And this is the redact. So what it will does is, if you just select this text, it will redact that. And this is the pencil, where you can draw anything on the PDF file, and here you can insert the shapes or shapes like arrows, squares, hexagon, whatever you want. This is text, so you can just add any text if you want. For example, let me, here the text has been added. You can just this is the sample text, and apart from that, you can also add the signature, which requires the camera and a trackpad option. I'm currently using the external mouse, so I cannot use this part. And you can also add the notes, like if you want to add any notes, then you can just say this is a sticky note. So once you're done editing, all you need to do is you can just save it, like file and save, or you can directly export to another file with making the changes and then revert back to the original version. So that is also there. You can also invert the pages here. So here, if you click, it will rotate the page. After rotation, you can use this form fields, which helps in filling out the form. Let's say, suppose if there is any field that is enabled for form filling, it will highlight and you can just directly type in to fill out that form. So in this way, you can add annotations as well as make some minor changes or the highlights and stuff in the editing mode using the free preview option which we have in the Mac OS. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.